Easy to make appetizers that are great for any holiday party. That is what we were talking about with Cloverfield Farm and Kitchen's Janine Washley this morning. Good morning, Janine.
Good morning. I've got some great ideas. You know, it's that time of year where we've maybe run out of ideas or we've had a touch of the flu, haven't really felt like going shopping, so we want to use things in our refrigerator. Family's coming this weekend, and we need some appetizers, some things, you know, just to nibble on while we're waiting to unwrap presents and that sort of thing. So I've got some awesome ideas that don't have to be unhealthy. We don't have to make unhealthy choices, and they involve just things that you might have in your refrigerator already.
Some assembly require this, which you were telling me earlier.
That's right.
All right, let's get started.
So we all usually have cucumbers in the refrigerator. So this is super easy. We're going to make cucumber cups, and we're going to fill them with hummus and add a little garnish, and they look like little candles. So about an inch thick. I've got one over there for you. Use a melon ball tool. That is such a handy little tool. Use the smaller end of it. Perfect. And we're just going to get the seeds out. The reason that we're using the English cucumber is because there are very little seeds in an English cucumber. And now you have a perfect cup. Take a little bit of perfect. Some hummus, your favorite flavor. This happens to be plain. We're just going to fill it like that. And why don't you add a little bit of a garnish to them? And look how easy. And one cucumber makes about 15 of these little cups. And then you end up with something that is tasty. It's a couple of bites. No muss, no fuss. And look at this little arrangement. This is a little appetizer board that I've put together. Cherry tomatoes, a little mozzarella pearl, and a piece of salami. Nice. Nice. And then pesto cream cheese inside of the little peppers. And then just a store-bought cheese ball that I've decorated with some pretzel reindeer ears and a couple of eyeballs and a little red nose. If you've got that extra pack of bacon laying around, just wrap it around a date and bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes, and you've got these awesome sweet and salty bites.
Did you say those are good?
Oh, they are awesome. Sweet and salty.
Gonna have to see for myself, Janine.
If bacon hits it, you know it's got to be good. It's good, right?
That is wonderful. All right, for more information on Janine Washley, sorry I have food in my mouth, go to our website, wdrb.com. That's where you can find more of her recipes and information on Cloverfield's Farm and Kitchen.
Absolutely. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. It was very good. Job well done, Janine.